Chapter Direct Marketing. Subject Management Economics. MA Final in Economics, University of Karachi. Direct marketing is a marketing system that uses one or more advertising media to effect a measurable response and/or transaction at any location. Here the measurable response refers to customers' direct order. Direct marketing is also known as direct order marketing. Direct marketing has been extensively used by hotels, airlines, sports clubs, fans clubs, and internet companies. Direct marketers occasionally send birthday cards, information materials and such other benefits to their selected customers. Benefits of direct marketing. Convenient and hassle-free shopping. It saves time and introduces consumers to a larger selection of merchandise. Marketer has more information about customers' preferences. Strong relationship with customers. Direct marketers' offers and strategies are less visible to competitors. Certain communication barriers are overcome. Channels of direct marketing. Direct marketers can use a number of channels for reaching the prospects and customers. These are: 1. Face-to-face selling, is the oldest and original form of direct marketing. The marketer employs professional sales force to locate the prospects, develop them into customers and grow the business. 2. Direct mail marketing, involves sending an offer, announcement, reminder, or other item to the prospect at a particular address. Direct mails are usually sent to highly valued customers. Some companies even sent audio and video CDs, USB pen drives, and floppies to their prospects and customers. Direct mail may take 3 forms. A. Fax mail via fax machines. B. Email via Internet. C. Voice recordings, mails via telephone, mobile phones and Internet. 3. Catalog marketing, refers to the situation where companies mail one or more product catalogs to the selected addresses. Catalogs give brief description of the product's features, quality and price, usually printed on papers or available on CDs and Internet. Catalogs take 3 forms. A. Full-line merchandise catalogs. B. Specialty consumer catalogs. C. Business catalogs. 4. Other media, are several other media involved in direct marketing, for example, newspaper, magazines, television, videotext, teletext, etc. 5. Kiosk marketing. Some companies have even designed their own customer order placing machines, known as kiosk, used to dispense actual products to customers at stores, airports and various other spots. 6. Telemarketing, refers to the use of telephones in marketing a product. Customers can process their orders through telephones and can record their preferences, suggestions and complaints. Telemarketing has become a major direct marketing tool. Companies advertise their products on television and receive orders on telephones. Telemarketing is cheaper and quicker in response. 7. Online marketing. With the Internet revolution, buyers have gained more capabilities to receive information, initiate requests, design the offerings and use the website agents to search for offers from sellers. Therefore, a new kind of direct selling channel has been explored with the Internet revolution. Marketers have now their own websites featuring companies' history and prospects, products' characteristics, services, order forms, and prices. Now the customer can choose a car, a mobile phone, home furnishings, clothes, food and various other consumer products at his home. Online marketing offers several advantages like customers' convenience, comparative information about company and its competitors, lower costs for marketer, strong relationship with customers, meaningful information about prospects, quicker adjustment to market conditions, lesser consumers' hassles. Direct marketers can plan online marketing by adopting the following steps. Electronic presence by creating online links, for example, Toyota.com. Placing online ads, for example, ads on YouTube, Google and Bing. Participating in forums, newsgroups, blogs, bulletin boards and various web communities, for example, CNN, ZDNet, etc. Using email and webcasting, for example, daily emails from various companies, also notoriously known as spam mails. Personal selling. Personal selling is a face-to-face interaction with one or more prospective purchasers for the purpose of making presentations, answering questions and procuring orders. Personal selling is one of the common communication platform other being advertising, sales promotion, public relations and direct marketing. Major aspects of personal selling. Following are the major aspects of personal selling. 1. Professionalism. 2. Negotiation. 3. Relationship marketing. 1. Professionalism. Personal selling is an ancient art of selling. Now companies spent millions of dollars to train their salespeople in the art of selling. 2. Negotiation. Personal selling is much more involved in negotiation. Two parties need to reach agreement on the price and other terms of sale. Salesperson has to accept orders without hurting the profitability. 3. Relationship marketing. Besides sales and profit objectives, the marketer has also to seek strong customer relationship. Companies are now become more relationship marketing oriented rather than transaction marketing oriented. As the relationship marketing is properly implemented, the organization will begin to focus as much on managing its customers as on managing its products. Major steps in personal selling. Following are the major steps in effective personal selling. 1. Identifying and qualifying prospects. 2. Pre-approach, i.e., salesperson, should study about company's prospects and decide about how to approach or reach the customers. 3. Approach, i.e., salesperson should know how to meet the buyers in a good and friendly environment. 4. Presentation and demonstration of company's brand and products' features and benefits. 5. Overcoming objectives through psychological resistance and logical resistance. 6. Closing, i.e., salesperson should know how to close or end the speech. 7. Follow-up and maintenance, i.e., delivery time, purchase terms and other matters. End of chapter. Direct marketing. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more lectures on economics.